At any rate, when you're a subject peoples, the old Roman law requires that the flesh and blood man and the real physical reality be converted to a fiction, which in Latin is called a persona. Now, a persona, if you look it up in the Latin lexicons and dictionaries and the Latin encyclopedias, you'll find out persona literally means the mask of an actor. It's a fictitious entity, a mask, that basically stands between you and the fictitious law created under a military government. The problem is, a fiction cannot see, hear, speak, write process, or develop an argument in court. So in the old Roman law, fictitious persona always had to appear by advocates, which we would call an attorney. Now, how does that relate to today's courts? In today's courts, all parties to an action, because under international and municipal law, must appear as something other than themselves in flesh and blood. In other words, they must appear as a fiction. And that's why you're called a person. You see? It's the modern English equivalent to a persona. The question is, how do we identify the persona? Well, that's done with a name of war, a war name, called the nom de guerre. That war name is signified by a name in all caps, as is on all of your driver's licenses right now, or in a name in which one of your Christian names has been abbreviated to an initial, like David K. That fictional entity, called the persona, or the person, and I think we've probably all heard the citation in that Church of Scientology Department of Justice in which the court said that the word person encompasses a variety of entities, not human beings. And if you read all the titles and codes, they only apply to persons, don't they? Read all your state codes, your county codes and statutes and ordinances and everything else, they only apply to persons, don't they?